Community workshops are coming to the Kingsbridge community as soon as this weekend. Elected officials say community members have just gathered a few moments ago, actually, to speak about the new redevelopment of the Kingsbridge Armory, something we've covered for years. News 12's Brittany Cadet has more on what this redevelopment means for Bronxites. Hi, Brittany.
Well, $5 million has been allotted to redevelop the Kingsbridge Armory. Now, we were told that this is not to gentrify the community, but it's to be a resource, like being a safe space for students after school, or even a health center for residents here, and even a resource center like a place to get food or information for community members here. Juntos para Kingsbridge is what was being chanted today, led by Councilmember Pierina Sanchez. The armory has been empty for years after plans to turn it into an ice rink fell through, and locals tell us this needs to be used for something to benefit the community, listing many things like community health and wealth, local hiring, environmental sustainability, amongst many other principles. Councilmember Sanchez announced 3 building blocks to redevelop this armory. The first was the $5 million that was allocated by the city's council to start building the armory, with the $5 million and get started on the in-depth designs and a robust engineering study on the armory, and a much-needed community engagement program led by the community members of the community of Kingsbridge.
This is our armory, and whatever comes here needs to benefit us as a community.
It's an iconic building that for a long time has been kind of certainly an empty space, but there's so much possibility here. And so what we're doing with this process is, again, recommitting ourselves from the city and the state side to say that the community focus has to remain.
And the first workshop will be this Saturday, November 5th, starting at noon at PS 340 here in Kingsbridge. And this workshop is for the community members to voice their opinions on what should go in this armory. That's the latest here from Kingsbridge. I'm Brittany Cadet, News 12.